LeBron, I have a surprise for you. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Wow! Here you are, bro. This is the best basketball in the world. I take it. You will win. Good job, Sahur. I'll show you how to do it, LeBron. Yeah, champions, baby, let's go. Keep it coming. This is all.